Supertalent Emre Mor, Supertalent Emre Mor zum Borussia Dortmund. 80-Jährige ist perfekt. Türkentalent Emre Mor и from Dänischen Erstligisten Nordschland für 5 Jahre. Für 5 Jahre zum Borussia Dortmund. Borussia Dortmund verpflichtet Emre Mor. Sportdirektor Michael Zorc. Emre Mor ist ein hochveranlagter und in der Offensive vielseitig einsetzbaren junger Spieler mit riesigem Entwicklungssportpotenzial, betont Großclub in Europa min für Borussia gestern präsentierte Borussia Dortmund mit Sebastian Rode, 25 Jahre, bereits den vierten Neuzugang des Sommers. Heute unterschrieb der nächste Star, Emre Mor. Emre Mor bei Borussia Dortmund geht es derzeit schlecht auf. Nur einen. Sorry for my German. Well, I tried to make video in German, but I haven't prepared myself for this, so I will explain you something in English. He was born, this guy, he's only 18 years old, he was born in Denmark. So, but he's Turkish. He's Turkish, his nationality is Turkish, his father and mother are Turkish immigrants. So they went to Denmark and there was born this guy, Emre Mor. So first he played for Danish clubs, Lyngby, and last club was Nordsjælland. And Borussia Dortmund signed him for 9.5 million euros. So they say that he is a future superstar. He is a future superstar. Before he played for Denmark youth team international. He was Danish international. He played for Denmark under 17, under 18, under 19. Then he decided to play for Turkey. He has already played 2 games for Turkey, and he will play in Euro. So we'll see this guy in Euro, and he will play for Turkey. Their rivals will be Spain, Czech Republic, and maybe Croatia, if I'm not mistaken. So I don't remember 4th team in that group. So what can we know about this guy? That he is that he maybe is a future star. He's a winger. So he's a taken midfielder, winger. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Sorry for my German. I tried to make video. I just haven't practiced for a long time. Maybe yesterday I made first video in German about Sebastian Rode, and today you can see that Emre Mor is a new signing of Borussia Dortmund. And what can I say? They sold Gundogan to Manchester City. They sold Hummels to Bayern Munich, and now they are expected to sell also Aubameyang, maybe to Manchester United, maybe to Manchester City. I don't know, but it will not be surprising if also Genrikh Mkhitaryan can quit the club in the summer, because he refused to renew his contract. So Aubameyang can leave also, and Mkhitaryan can leave the club also, and Borussia will lose 4 key players. So what are they going to do next season in Champions League? Yes, they buy Emre Mor, they buy Ousmane Dembélé from Rennes. They bought Marc Bartra, a defender. What are they going to do? And yes, they bought Sebastian Rode. I think that Borussia makes something not quite good transfer policy this summer. So this is my opinion. Thank you for watching. And Emre Mor is fifth transfer, fifth signing of Borussia Dortmund this summer, after Mikel Merino from Osasuna, after Marc Bartra, Ousmane Dembélé from Rennes, Marc Bartra from Barca, Sebastian Rode from Bayern Munich, and now from Danish Nordsjælland, Turkish maybe future superstar, 18 years old, winger Emre Mor. Thank you for watching and see you later.